Looking to build a profitable concrete batching plant business? In the next few minutes, we'll guide you through the steps to set up and run an efficient operation that produces top-quality concrete for large-scale construction projects. Concrete batching plants are essential in the construction industry. Let's see how you can build your own. What exactly is a concrete batching plant? It's a facility used to produce ready-mix concrete for construction projects, ensuring precision and efficiency. A concrete batching plant mixes cement, water, aggregates, and additives to make high-quality concrete for buildings, roads, bridges, and more. The batching plant can be either stationary or mobile. Both are used in different situations. Let's explore more. There are two main types of concrete batching plants, stationary and mobile. Stationary plants are perfect for long-term, large-scale projects, providing higher output and efficiency. But mobile batching plants are portable, making them ideal for temporary and remote job sites. Which type do you think fits your business? Let us know in the comments. Let's talk about the equipment that makes up the concrete batching plant. Key components include mixers, total bins, cement silos, and conveyors. Mixers ensure consistent quality, while cement silos store bulk cement securely. Automated control systems improve efficiency and accuracy. These components make the batching plant run smoothly. Choosing the right location is critical. You need to consider proximity to raw materials like cement, sand, and aggregates. Good road access will reduce transport costs and increase efficiency. Make sure your plant is also near reliable water and power supplies. Finally, a strong foundation is necessary to support heavy machinery. Is your site ready for a batching plant? When it comes to legal requirements, make sure you get business registration, environmental permits, and safety certifications. You may also need factory and zoning permits, and a mining license if you source raw materials like sand or gravel. Make sure to follow safety and environmental standards to avoid legal issues. Now, let's talk about staffing. Operating a concrete batching plant requires skilled and unskilled labor. You'll need workers who can operate the machines and control the PLC systems. DASWELL Group offers professional training to ensure your team is competent. Is your team ready for the job? Running a concrete batching plant is a business venture that requires careful planning and investment. But with the right equipment, location, and workforce, your plant can become a key player in the construction industry. Investing in DASWELL batching plants guarantees efficiency, quality, and long-term profitability. Start your concrete batching plant business with DASWELL Group. We provide top-quality equipment, expert advice, and excellent after-sales service. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you set up your batching plant business. Like, subscribe, and reach out to DASWELL Group for your concrete plant needs.